All right, hot chocolate time. Today was another snow day at the school district. There's so much snow, they shut down the schools. Kids didn't have any class. To be honest with you, I'm a little surprised that the schools up here shut down for a little bit of snow. Doesn't seem to be too much of a big deal for me. I'm actually enjoying it, having fun here. But I guess out there the roads could be dangerous. Make sure that you drive safely, that you follow all the rules and follow the best practices. I've already switched out all of my tires to winter tires, studded tires, so that way I've got great traction and control while driving on ice. That's something that's a little different to me, a little different than what I expected. I thought that it was always going to be class, rain or shine. But you live and you learn. So Anchorage is currently under an inclement weather alert, something that was unheard of to me. I thought that that's something that would only be issued in Alaska in an extreme emergency. It doesn't seem too emergent to me. So, being a native Californian, not growing up in an area where there's a lot of snow, this is a lot of snow. But having an awareness of what a lot of snow really looks like, this is like a drop in a bucket. All right, guys. Well, thanks again for tuning in and watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and tune in again next time for more adventures from Ryan the Manimal. See ya.